know what? I'm sick and tired of Wish.com. I keep buying things and getting scammed. So I've decided to move on to greener pastures. Welcome, my friends. Temu.com. What, you might ask, is Temu.com? I don't know. Everyone just keeps telling me it's better than Wish. Temu is an online marketplace, a US-based subsidiary of the Chinese company Pinduoduo. They should just call it Pinduoduo. That's actually a much better name. I will immediately say the Temu website is a lot nicer looking than Wish. A micro SD card reader for iPhone. So it's micro SD on one side, and it is a lightning port on the other side. That's $3. That's actually, that's neat. Oh, okay, here we go. So they've got a Game Boy that is definitely looks like it's not Supreme, it's Sup.
Sup.
Electric V face shaping massager. Face firming machine, beauty device, double chin removal machine. Do you have a double chin? Well, buying this massager will clearly get rid of it. I'm about to be so beautiful. There's so much stuff on Temu. Bro, you better subscribe to the channel and ring-a-ling that ding-a-ling button. I'm about to go ham on Temu.com. I got like months of content here. So, our packages from Temu have arrived much faster than they ever did from Wish. I think everything was here within 2 weeks. Usually Wish is like 2 months. Temu purchase protection. It's almost as if they're preparing you to be scammed in advance. Have you ever wanted to have a little gorilla buddy?
What?
Me too. This, my friends, is a gorilla. Grab a hand.
Oh no. Oh. Oh, he feels so.
Feel his body.
Ew, Austin.
Hey, Ken and Matt.
Yeah.
Can I ask you a question?
Yes.
Have you ever wanted a PlayStation for Christmas? You ever
Yeah.
put on your wish list, ask Santa Claus?
Yeah.
Can I have a PS5?
Yeah.
What if I told you that we have a PS5 at home?
What?
Let's go!
I'm just gonna say for reference, the entire box is smaller than a real PS5.
It is so lightweight
Wow.
too. If you pick that thing up, it weighs nothing.
Wow, product features. Number 1, double hands.
Oh, I have those.
Well, you're qualified to operate this particular piece of machinery.
Wow.
Look, it's just a little guy. And actually, you know what? They look kind of all right side by side. Don't you love it? When your new
Maracas.
DualSense sounds like this right out of the box. Shout out to Select and Start being on your touchpad. And AVXY?
Yo.
There's no attention to detail.
If we wanted to use this as an ornament on our desk, how much does this cost?
$63.48.
All right, no.
And I was not able to find it again on Temu,
Yeah.
so Sony was probably like, you can't actually do that.
Yes. So often when we're doing these Wishtree Tech style videos, the items that we're looking for mysteriously disappear, only to quickly be replaced by another identical item soon after. The warranty is good for 7 days.
Also, can't help but notice that nothing's happening so far.
Yeah, look, it's a work in progress, okay?
It's a speaker.
Really loud. Okay, so it's getting power, but it's just not getting any video out. Unfortunately, our 4K game station seems to be DOA.
Wait, this TV can't do 4K.
No. No. All right, I'll get a 4K TV. No. No. It's 720!
Yo! Gundam Battle Ass, let's go!
Oh, it's Battle Assault. I do not understand what I'm playing. But it's a PlayStation game, so it counts.
Who are you?
I'm Death Scythe.
I'm guessing he's the one with the scythe?
Yeah.
This is actually not the worst thing I've ever seen. The main issue with these little micro consoles that you usually get on like Wish and whatnot is that they're all just NES clones. They play like 50 versions of Super Mario and that's it. But this actually has a full selection of games. I still don't think it's really worth it, but it's not a complete rip. As long as you know what you're getting yourself into, which, I mean, they're very clearly trying to insinuate it's a PS5, but it's actually okay little emulator. Not a good one, but it's okay. So if you do own a PS5, have I got the item for you? One of the biggest problems with the PS5 is clearly that it collects dust.
Is that a dust cover?
Yeah.
What the?
You'll never know what I've got underneath this secret bag.
I was thinking this is for people who cover their couch in plastic.
Oh, my dad.
That's exactly what it Well, Ken, here you go. Send it over to your pops.
Yes.
Definitely play PS5.
This will go well with all of our TV remotes that are still in the original Saran wrap.
First of all,
Wow, are you in like the NFL or something? Why do I have a bunch of eggs? Did I order eggs?
We can't afford to order eggs in 2023.
Ah! This is horrific.
Oh, shoot. Yeah, now I remember this.
Is it just me or is Austin Evans getting hot?
Oh my gosh. I don't like that.
So, the idea with this fleshy, squishy skin bit is so that you can practice doing makeup. Now, I am a certified beauty expert.
It should not be that difficult.
I shouldn't be this hard, right?
are you gonna?
Are we pull out an iFixit kit to open this makeup? How could this be this hard?
Can I look at it?
Wait, Joanne's gonna do it in like half a second. You open it? Ah! You just turn it?
Yeah.
I knew that. I'm an expert. Wow, look, it's beauty cream. Ah! Ugh. Why is it so goopy?
That's how foundation is.
Oh, is that really? I mean, I knew that. As an expert, this consistency is close to optimal. Just
Yeah. Oh, okay.
So here we go. This is great. This seems really great. Hey Matt, you wonder why I asked you to come today? This is why.
Let's make me beautiful.
Let's do it. Where are some of your areas that you'd like me to focus on? A little bit of this, a little bit of here. And just kind of rub it in. You want to just make sure that as you're applying this, that you're really kind of making the appearance smooth and flawless, because you want to just accentuate the natural curves.
How do I somehow look whiter?
You know, they're called beauty blenders for a reason.
Do we need to use it more?
I mean, you might want to blend it in to his face.
Wow! Woo! Kenzie don't play. All right. Did I order this?
You are the only one who ordered this. This happens every time we do Wishery Tech.
This, my friends, is the Derringer Science Education Model. This, my friends, is only for science and education. So, we can't say that word on
It's a
YouTube.
device.
Austin, are you trying to bust a cap?
3, 2, 1.
That's actually pretty powerful.
And of course, as soon as you're done, you just drop your, oh! I didn't realize it actually jumps the shells out.
Wow.
It's neat, right? It's a neat, I mean, look, inappropriate, yes. Demonetizable, almost certainly. Kinda cool. Ah, I got it. This is Lenovo LivePods LP40. So, you might be familiar with AirPods. Who wants a pair of AirPods when you can have LivePods? Now, I believe on Wish, we took a look at some Lenovo AirPod-like things that were very cheap. How much were these LivePods?
$7.59.
So for $7, these are fully wireless earpods. So it's a USB-C, thumbs up, and it's also a little bit of a smaller case. It does, though, without the Lenovo logo, look identical to AirPods. The case feels pretty decent. Bro, these look just like AirPod Pros. Oh my God, these are actually like AirPod Pros. All right, I'm gonna pair them. They actually look really pretty solid. What the f? Okay, so they are, wait, they're really touch sensitive, just like AirPods. You literally grab the stems. Pause, play, and if I take them out, do they stop? No, they don't stop. But still, I will say they don't sound as good as AirPods. But they're not like way far off. Like I think the main thing is just the sound's not very full, so it's a little bit sort of thin. But man, for $7, I'm legitimately impressed. This is take one of day 2 of Temu Tech.
Temu!
Ow! I slayed it on my freaking hand.
We call that getting the clap.
Again.
Let me take a look at that. Let me take a look at that.
See that?
Oh, that's pretty bad. We might have to amputate it.
Temu is a wild place full of lots of very exciting things, like chainsaws.
What could go wrong?
So it comes with a mini saw chain.
I feel like this is really dangerous.
Matt would be correct. That's a bunch of little sharp saw blades. How do you undo this? Shaking out at okay.
Oh no.
I didn't mean that. I can't undo it. Okay, I literally have no idea how to do this. Oh, is this the one that we need a drill for? I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get power tools. Okay, I've got this figured out. Okay, so now that I have an actual power tool.
No.
what?
We're gonna assemble it first before you attach it to a power source.
But I want to make sure it works.
This is a thing where you should, in fact, read the instructions. That's
There is no instruction. Literally no instructions.
I don't like any of this.
This is a real chainsaw. Here, I'm gonna put it like this.
What did you expect it to be? That's not how you do chainsaws.
Then what are you? Okay, Mr. Chainsaw Expert, how am I gonna attack this? I feel powerful now. I'm gonna hurt myself very quickly. This is incredibly dangerous. Do not try this at home. I feel like there should be maybe like some kind of guard because I feel like my hand's really quite exposed here. Round 2. I mean, that's a real chainsaw. I mean, I'm not gonna actually slice through real wood, but I mean, considering that this is just using a drill, that's actually kind of impressive. I'm still not entirely sure who needs this and why, but Temu.
You definitely do not need this. You're not allowed to have this anymore.
I can't argue with that.
Maybe something a little more age appropriate?
This is age appropriate? How dare you? This is the shoe car, a funny football boot. Apparently this has been tested according to international standards. Oh, okay. Look how exciting this is. It's not very maneuverable for something that's supposed to be kicking a ball.
Watch and learn.
Okay, you go for it. It's wide open, Matt. It's wide open. It's wide open.
Go!
Wow. Look, not all items from Temu were great, and thumbs down. This is a Nintendo 3DS 208-in-1 cartridge with a stylus. Oh! So on the back, you've actually got yourself a blank micro SD card. So I think this is just a dummy to converter, basically to make micro SD turn into DS/3DS. Okay. I mean, not that I would ever condone piracy, so I'm gonna load this up into a DS Lite to see what actually happens. Okay, wow, all right, well, we're immediately in. So I see Pokemon Black and White version 1 and 2, some very expensive games. So we've got a bargain already. Platinum, also an expensive game. Heart Gold, Soul Silver, Diamond. Just at first glance, this seems like it's got every DS game I could ask for. Oh my God, there's Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3
Yeah.
for the DS.
Oh, the world
People
ends with
forget
you.
about that.
All right, I'm playing that. I'm just playing that. How much was my 218 games in one cartridge for the DS?
$9.48.
$9?
$9.48.
That's worth it just for the adapter.
Yeah.
To do your own ROMs.
I will say, I don't love the idea of playing what's clearly just, a bunch of ROMs loaded up onto a flash card, but once you're actually playing this, if you're not looking at like the little label here, you would never realize that you're not playing a legitimate game.
Okay.
Okay. I hate all of that.
I'm like reverse scanning myself. What is this? Is this a USB Lite? I bought this? I bought this. So if you've ever wanted a light, you can plug it in and it'll, it'll be a light.
Is it?
Wow.
Hey!
It's the whole thing.
I'm gonna catch this one. I caught it. The grip case for the NS Lite. Not too long ago, I did a video on why I personally think that the Switch Lite is one of the best deals in gaming right now. A little bit of a controversial video. But the only thing I agree when the haters come knocking, trying to make fun of my Switch Lite, is the fact that it is maybe not the most ergonomic thing in the world. Now for me, not a big problem, but that's where a grip case like this comes in handy. So all I need to do is just slide this in. Ooh, wait, well. Boy, that was not want to go in there well, but okay, sure. Let me actually see if I can play this and see if it actually helps. Actually, this is not bad. I'm not usually a big fan of like grips and stuff, but actually this does make a difference. Like I feel like I still have full access to all of the controls, but it also feels a lot more natural. Hey Joanna, I have a question for you.
Oh, what?
Would you like some tech?
Tech? It's tech.
This is a joke that literally no one is going to appreciate.
Except me.
Except Joanna.
Yay.
But my friends, Temu also delivered a pile of fake carrots. The electric face slimming instrument. Everyone wants a V face. You don't want this face, you want this face.
No one wants that face.
Well, let's see what we got here. How does it slim my face?
Science.
So it says I'm supposed to have my skin wet, but no. Don't break my jaw, what the? Okay.
All right, we're gonna go for it. Safe word is pickle.
Okay. Cucumber! Oh boy. I feel like I'm Pikachu right now. It's literally like shocking me. So on the inside, there are a couple of like little metal things, and they're like shocking my cheeks. Boy, I'm about to be a different shape, all right? Beauty is pain. Beauty is pain. Okay, how long do I have to do this for?
Every night before bed. Until you're beautiful.
Are you ready? Woo!
Is that Marilyn Monroe? Oh wait, no, it's just Austin Evans.
You know what it feels like? I feel like someone punched me on both sides of the jaw. Okay, let me know in the comments below. Do you think that Temu Tech deserves another shot? Should we continue the mystery tech rabbit hole with Temu Tech? Everyone's just gonna throw things at me now? Is this the way we end it? Okay. Yes! Thank you for watching this episode of Temu Tech.
Oh gosh, no,
Make sure to
Matt,
subscribe
no.
to the channel. And if you don't, Matt's gonna throw shit on me.
Anyways.
Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time on Temu Tech.